Good afternoon class, welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic and our Department of Information Technology. On the 14th lecture on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement to technology engineering to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society. Departmental mission in these three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to skill in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here syllabus 5 units are there. Course outcome: after the completion of unit number 5 you achieve develop 3D animation. Summary of previous lectures. In previous lecture we conducted the points: cursor transfer, edit mode, transform, move, rotate, scale, parenting objects, mesh tools, objects, etc. Now we continue the next points. How to light a 3D scenes, means in a 3D animation give the lighting overview of lighting techniques. For most of us, lighting is something usual, something we do not pay much attention. Repeat day after day. The sun rises and goes down. We switch the light on and off and take it for granted. 90% of screens will light be obviously passive. Few of us care of how the lighting is the general object perceptions, but 3D artists do. In 3D computer graphics and is an essential aspect. It often happens that a well-modeling 3D objects look unconvincing and flat or even plastic because of implemented lighting solution. On the other hand, we'll choose lighting techniques to enhance the object value. At first sight, it sounds pretty easy to light a 3D scene. Create light button and position a light course in your scene. Done. Easy to light a 3D scenes as it seems, not really. The reality is for the more complex. Lighting technique. There are several well established 3D lighting techniques and it is often predicted the type of environment which techniques is most appropriate in this case. For instance, some techniques an interior environment and make very little sense in an exterior modeling. The same approach works as it is required procedurally that differ much from lighting for 3D animation and films. Let's make overview of 6 standard lighting options that are available in most 3D software packages. First, point or mini light. A point light casts rays in every direction from the single small source in a 3D environment. It has no specific shape and size. Point light can add field lighting effect to a 3D scene as well as simulate any light source like candle, Christmas tree light or other. Second, directional light. It is a opposite of omni light. It presents a very distinct source of light like the moonlight. Rays go parallel in a single direction. This type of 3D lighting is often used to simulate the sunlight. To change the illumination of the scene, you can adjust the position or colors of the light and rotate the directional light source. Second, spotlight. There are targeted spotlight and free spots, which means that they have no target object. It is often used to simulate light fixtures, for example desk lamp and street lights, as it casts a focused ray of light. Fourth, area light. Area light emits lights within a set boundaries of a certain size and shape, rectangular or circular. This type of light courses is often used in visualization of architecture models as well as in product lighting. Area lights produce soft edges, shadow that make your rendering look more realistic. Area light is the opposite of directional light, as it is goes in all directions and do not emit the parallel rays. Volume light. It is similar to omni light, as it is cast rays in all directions from a certain point. Yet a volume light has a specified shape at geometric primitive and size, which volumetric light illuminates only surface within the set volume. Volume light provides the effects of smoke, fog, and so on. Sixth, ambient light. An ambient light is not similar to any other light type. It casts soft rays in every direction. Through it has no certain directionality and emits no shadow on the ground. It can be compared to the dust after the sunset. Often it serves as addition to the color of the main light source for a 3D scene. Next point, keyframe. A keyframe is simply a marker of a time which stores the value of a property. For example, keyframe might define that a horizontal position of a cube at the 3 meter on a frame 1. The purpose of a keyframe is allows for interpolated animation, meaning, for example, that the user could then add another key on frame 10, specifying the cube horizontally position at 20 meter, and the blender will automatically determine the correct position of the cube for all frames between frame 1 to 10, depending on the chosen interpolation methods. Example, linear, Bezier, quadratic, etc. Next point, timeline. The timeline editor, identifies by a clock icon, is used for manipulating keyframe and scrubbing the playhead. The timeline gives the user a broad overview of scene's animation by showing the current frame, the keyframe of the active object, the start and end frames of your animation sequence, as well as markers set by the user. The timeline includes transport control to play, pause and skip through an animation sequence. It also includes tools of manipulating keyframes, keying the same markers. Next point, cyclic animation. There is a lot of goes into the creating the believable walk cycle. You need to understand how the human body moves and the key positioning we go through during the walk. Walk cycle are key component in a video game animation. if a character is going to move, they are going to the need to have a walk cycle. Means what a cyclic animation is, you create the 3D objects in using through 3D animation software, means through Blender. When you watching the film, on that objects are movable, okay, means walk that any object. How to create that using through giving the cyclic animation. Path animation means what? The path animation setting can be used to determine how child object move along a certain path. Means you specified one type of a path, that path through that object will be moved. That is said as a path animation. For example, when you create the one road, on that road you moving the car, okay, so that on that when you moving the car, you give the one specific path, that is the path animation. Graph editor. The graph editor allows use to adjust animation curves over time for any animatable properties, means F curves that used for that. Means what? Graph editor means using through graph editor you allows the adjustable animation, means you use the curves on that path, and using through that you create the animations. Summary on that today's lecture: which points are conducted, lighting techniques, after that what is meant by keyframe, timelines, cyclic animation, path animation, graph editor. Apart from these points, many other points are there. You want to that study, then you studied it. Otherwise this is a sufficient for your syllabus, but it is totally depends upon that practical. You studied the Blender software, okay. If you possible that, then you are download it and install it and use that. When you use that software, that time to you understand how to create the 3D animation object. Again I am to saying that this is not a theoretical paper for that subject, only for practical related subjects are there. So I am to on maximum to cover that only for basic points, means what is meant by concept on that related to that practical, also on that theory, that are only for I am to conducted for to you. So all of that understood that of syllabus for this course, means AMT, means applied multimedia techniques. Homework for you: write in your today's lectures points in notebook. Here stop on today's lectures, and also here complete your syllabus for your course, that is applied multimedia techniques, that is AMT. This subject is only for depending on the practical subject, not a theory paper. And also in that no any language coding concepts are there, only for animated or interesting, means non-technical type subjects are there. It is interesting subject, in that maximum points are covered in a, means it is totally depends on the practically knowledge, practically subjects are there. In that declare that complete the syllabus for the course, that is AMT, okay. And best luck for your exam for all subjects. Thank you. And also all are within deadlines. Submission will be done by your Google Classroom or mail, whatever through or media, okay. Because it is the effect on your term marks. Okay. All the submission means the assignment, practical theory, whatever, test, etc. Within that deadline, all are submitting for all subjects done. Okay. Once again, best luck for all subjects for practical and theory exams. Thank you.